Underground pipelines keep our cities running, delivering water, taking away waste, and draining stormwater. But because they're hidden, we often don't know what's happening inside until something goes wrong. That's why we built the Endobot, our series of robotic crawlers that inspects pipelines. Without the need for much digging or shutting things down, the Endobot works across all types of pipelines, ranging from 70 to 2,100 millimeters in diameter. Whether they are water, sewer, or stormwater lines, it covers these crucial infrastructure networks through high-quality video capture. Its high-definition cameras are built for precision imaging. It comes with additional sensors for laser profiling and gradient measurement. Swappable wheels help it move through different types of pipelines, while easily navigating debris, narrow spaces, and misaligned joints. Having set high standards across multiple years, the Endobot is officially recognized by the Government of India and also featured as a robotic benchmark by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. With Endobot, city authorities no longer have to guess what's going on underground. They can see it, fix it, and keep it running smarter and safer.